I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy BNB from Trust Wallet. We'll go through a straightforward process, making it easy for you to add Binance Coin to your portfolio. First, we'll ensure your Trust Wallet is ready for transactions. Then, we'll explore the options for funding your wallet, typically using a debit or credit card. Finally, I'll guide you through the actual purchase, so you can confidently acquire BNB. To begin, open your Trust Wallet application and locate the Buy button, typically prominent on the main screen. From there, you will select Binance Coin, or BNB, as the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire. Next, input the amount you want to spend, perhaps $50 or €100, and the app will show you the equivalent BNB. You will then choose a third-party provider to process your payment securely. After selecting your preferred third-party provider, you will be guided through their specific process. This often includes a quick identity verification step, which is standard for cryptocurrency purchases. You'll then securely enter your payment information, like your credit card details. Double-check all the transaction specifics, including the amount and fees, before confirming your purchase. The entire process usually takes just a few minutes. Once your purchase is complete, your BNB should appear in your Trust Wallet within a few minutes, though sometimes it can take a bit longer. Always check your transaction history to confirm the successful transfer. For enhanced security, consider enabling features like two-factor authentication within your wallet settings. Most importantly, safeguard your recovery phrase. It is the key to your funds and should never be shared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.